Hi everyone, it's Thursday, November 7th. This is Liam McMahon with GlobalFxClub.com here today with your chart of the day via Mr. Top Step. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen. We are going to be talking about the Euro pairs. We just finished with the ECB press conference. We just saw the ECB cut rates. So we're going to talk about all of that and then take a look at some Euro trades that we have into the end of the week and next week. Please take a moment to look over the risk disclaimer, which should now be on your screen. And then we'll get started. All right. So, the European Central Bank cut rates. This took many people, myself included, by surprise. I was fully expecting them to keep rates on hold this time around and, try to talk the market into or convince the market of the necessity for a cut going forward, but I didn't expect them to actually pull the trigger this week, but they did. You can see this is Euro Yen. We saw a precipitous sell-off here. It is actually far more pronounced on Euro Dollar, down percent on the day, although it is about 70 pips off of its lows already. Euro dollar kind of had a double whammy today. Stronger US GDP figures boosted the dollar, so euro fell, dollar strengthened, euro dollar really took it on the chin. But like I said, we're already about 70 pips off the lows. We filled this gap here. All right, you can see from back in early September. We finally filled that gap, so that combined with the big round number at 133, not surprising we're seeing a bounce here. I would love to sell euro dollar at about 134.50. That is at 618% fib. It's also the back test of this horizontal support now turned resistance area. So I'm definitely keeping my eye on 134.50 as an opportunity to get short euro dollar. Again, with NFPs tomorrow, the dollar will be in a busy trading place through the end of the week, so depending on when we get there, how that data all plays out, it may not be a trade that ends up working out, but that's definitely one to keep an eye on. Alright, EuroCAD, we got a decisive breakdown in EuroCAD as I had been looking for, but clearly this was untradeable. We didn't get a breakout before the collapse. So you can always look for a retest here of 140.75 and try to take it from there. If this plays out true to form, it should mark a low right around this 137 figure. A little bit above that probably. Measured move of a flag, of course. Yeah, just about 137. So still some significant downside potential on EuroCAD. So look for it maybe to flag up here again before breaking down further down into that measured move target area. So that's definitely one you want to keep an eye on as well. Another one you want to keep an eye on is Euro Aussie. Alright, Euro Aussie, different in the sense that risk on usually pushes Euro Aussie lower. So this is an interesting risk on potential trade, and you can combine equity strengths with euro weakness. We are currently testing the bottom of this significant channel right around 141 or so. We did not manage to put a 4-hour close in below where I have the trend line drawn. This trend line I have drawn this way gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 touches, all right, and one close and break back above. Pretty significant level. If we do manage to get a 4-hour close outside of this channel, I do like it for shorts. Of course, on the alternative, the option for longs is here. Stop below the lows, move up towards 144 is your target. Euro Yen. Okay, we are testing and closing a little bit below this significant 4-hour trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4 tests. Breakdown, broke back above a little bit. We'll see how this 4-hour candle plays out, but Euro Yen is definitely a short option here. Finally, Euro Pound. Significant sell-off here on Euro Pound as well. Bank of England today held firm, no change there. You can see actually this very nice symmetrical move lower. kind of got ruined a little bit here with this bounce off 83. It's about 40 pips off its highs. But this is definitely another pair that you should definitely be looking at. Even if, to me, there is not a clear setup right now, I think it has the potential to be highly volatile going forward, so you should probably watch it. I mean, if we draw this out a little bit, you can see we may close, actually, after a close above both horizontal and trendline support. Could provide a spark for a move higher. That's my least favorite scenario that we've outlined so far, but it is one that you should probably be keeping an eye on. So in short, lots of stuff going on. Euro going to be very busy here as people process exactly what this rate cut means. It is a fundamentally bearish event for the euro, and I do think that euro shorts should be the way to go for the foreseeable future. Foreseeable future being the next week and a half. But it will depend on the setups, and right now, the euro is holding some pretty significant support areas across the board, so just be cautious of that. All right, thanks for watching. Good luck trading into tomorrow's NFP report, and then next week, keep your eye on those euro pairs. Should be some good stuff there.